The Green Building Materials Lab was really started as a result of funding from Oregon Best. In total, we're all trying to come up with new building concepts, new building materials that have less of an impact on the environment.
But there's also a lot of interest in characterizing maybe more traditional materials like wood-based materials or wood-based composites. We also do a lot of testing with concrete that has recycled concrete inside of it, or additives to make it a more sustainable material. We had the vision that we could really develop this as a premier shared user facility for the state of Oregon, for industry to come in and do a wide variety of materials testing, for academia to do research, and for industry and academic partnerships.
This big device behind me, which we call the MCMEC, or Multi-Chamber Environmental Conditioning System. And that device allows us to evaluate full-size building components.
And it's one of only about 3 like this in the entire world. We also have the capability to change the relative humidity and the temperature at the same time while putting UV light degradation and even misting or water onto different materials.
One area of research that we've done recently and been a primary focus here in the Green Building Materials Lab has been modifying wood to enhance its properties. We've done a number of trials for companies who would like to use this technology in their own product line. The primary focus of the Green Building Materials Lab was to try to help companies, existing companies or new startups, to give them some resources that they wouldn't generally have on their own, either because they're too small and they can't afford it, or they just simply don't have the expertise. And so I think we can provide these facilities to companies at a relatively low cost and relatively short turnaround time for them to investigate some of the things that would make them more successful.